Hi, welcome to Create Art with Jazz. My name is Jasmine, and my mission here is to create, inspire, and motivate. So let's spin the wheel to see what today's challenge will be. All right, so we landed on lettering, and today we will do the word frozen. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Apple iPad, the Apple Pencil, and the program Procreate. We're going to start by making a double loop on the beginning of the F. And we're not going to press too hard at that point. We're going to press very lightly as we go around. And we're going to take that around twice. As we're going into the F, we're going to press a little harder so that we can increase the line weight. Now we're going to bring that line down and bring it into a tapered swirl. So the end of the F should swirl as you bring your pen down. Okay. In a single line, we're going to begin the cross for the F. We're going to start off lightly and then press harder as we go along. The way that you can get that line thicker is by pressing firmly at the end of the line. So if you need practice with that, take your time. Go from thick to thin in a single stroke. This will help you to make your lines more dynamic, and you'll also save time by completing the words faster. Now we're going to add a silhouette of frozen icicles hanging down at the bottom of the word. Then we're going to go to the top and add mountains over the top of the word. Okay, so after we've done that, we're going to add in some highlights. Start your highlights at the middle of the lowercase letter. So you don't want to go higher or lower than the middle of the lowercase letter. These highlights represent reflections, so we want to keep them consistent across the word. If you need help with this, just picture an invisible line across the whole word. And that would start at the middle height of the lowercase word. And there you have it. That completes our words for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. You can learn lettering, digital art, character art, and much more. I'll see you on the next video.